Morning peeps, afternoon peeps, whatsoever time it is, where you're located. Thanks for clicking on this video. I know you see by the title of this video, I'm gonna do what a father's supposed to do when he's not at work or doing anything else. So here I have my Millie. You know, she pretty stressful some of the time. Millie, come. Millie, come. Come. No matter how you call her, she not come. Come. Alright, I just say, sweetie, come, sweetie. Sweetie? 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 People look on her. Come. Come. Trust me, this is how I have to deal with people, honestly. Come, Millie, come. Come. Alright, guys, so meet Millie. Say hello. 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 Say hello. Is it? Is it? Alright, so people, Millie have slippers for her size, but she just don't want to wear it. I don't know why. And may have so much to do to the meaning that the place look ruggedly. Let me show you what I'm going. The place ruggedly, as you guys can see. The pillar them for the chair, them they all over. The cushion them, I mean, them they all over. You see me? This there so because Millie put it there. They made there so. Laptop, this, that, a bag of nonsense. You see me? So basically, I have a task for take care of she while doing some chores. I don't know how that I go, how that I go work, but I have to go try work it out because at the end of the day, I have the dishes for the same time. So let me show you what I go on in the kitchen. Let me tell you what I go on in the kitchen. In the kitchen right now is a mess. A mess. These are mine because me the man, I love cheese stick. You see me? So I have plate for wash up. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. I have a lot to do today. You see me? I'm really make it a lotta. And for the next thing too, I think she do. I go check if she do, but I think she do. Alright, let me check. Till I can set the camera so that you can see. Alright, Millie, come. 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 Doodle, come. Doodle. I call her and share room. Let me see if you doodle. Ooh! Doodle. Ooh. Doodle. Doodle. Come here. Doodle. 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 Jesus. People Millie doodle, and trust me, our doodle smell worse than doodle. Like our doodle smell like our doodle inside our doodle. If you get me, I say. You see me? So I have some added down for my list now. So basically I have to go wipe her up and then wash her off. Doodle. So soon forward, guys. See you guys in a few. Come. 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 Millie. Come. Come. Doodle. Alright, so Millie really need for change. So this actually is my first time I'm gonna look up in a doodle. Like my first time I'm gonna clean doodle. I never had it before, and oh boy. People, I'm no expert, and you can see the doodle stain. Doodle stain actually I show through them part here. I don't know if you can see it. I can smell it out of the pampers. This is the reveal. Woo. Alright, so I use this and wipe. Quick. Alright, so work on bringing it to the bathroom because we sent a kid. What I realized what I do wrong is should I wipe her off with wipes after I remove the pampers, but I have no experience with cleaning because yes. I have no experience in cleaning babies, so you can't keep me for that. I'm going to clean her up good now. One thing I like with Millie is that she's not afraid of water. Like no matter what time, she's not afraid. Not saying that we'll be there late at night, but she's not afraid of water at all. Ah, yes. She nearly deaf me. Alright, so. Sweetie, come in, come. Come. Alright, man, let's blush on her first, because I never know. So now that I know. If you don't worry about me putting on her pampers, I know I do that already, like long time. I used to put on cash pampers then. I talk about them time me around, listen, them time me probably 10, 11, 12, somewhere around this one. You rise up alright. Yes, so. Yeah. Then, yes, so. You know the thing, people. I need to take for your pampers. Pampers? Pampers? The pampers? The part around here, so. To the front. Same thing applies to the next side. Yeah. So what I forgot to know, I clean out the living room because as I can see, the living room not get touched on now. So I clean the living room and when I'm done, I link on the back and I couldn't know what I go on. Then I go check if Millie wake and guys, she's not alone. She actually the inside there with somebody. You see me? So we don't have to worry herself. So I wash plate and I clean and Millie in a room by herself and blah blah blah. You see me? She's alright, well taken care of. You see me? So I go clean up the living room and then link on the back. You see me? So while cleaning, I accidentally broke the broom. So I have some glue there. So I say I can use some of the glue and then tight band premium wood glue. So this is the right glue for do the job. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is enough so that when we push it down, you know, it will connect. Alright, so try and match it up. So here, so here, so. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll leave it for dry. I don't know how I'm gonna leave it. Probably I go hold it the same way so until it dry. Or yeah. Just paste it around like this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it for dry and then after I dry, I use a tape and tape around it. Now you can't just tape it like that or else it'll go like broke back the same place. So you have to kinda use physics for like tape it up, if you get what I mean. Just tape the damaged area but broke. You see me? You have to kind of detail like an X type of. I create an X right here. You see me? If you can see it, create an X right here, and then start tape from 3 inches below or probably 2, go up to 3 inches above. You see me? But I don't plan to buy no more broom for now, and I don't think I can just go buy a stick. Or I can, but I'm not gonna just go up on the road just to buy a broomstick. You see me? So I'll leave it for dry and then tape it up and then see you guys in a few. Alright, I'm not gonna use blow dryer, but I'm not see it. So I'm gonna just tape it. Even though it's not fully dry, I'm gonna just tape it because time ago, you see me, I need to clean and finish so I can, you know, ease myself and chill. And Millie wake up back and end up going back and sleep, which is wonderful. So I tape it up back right now. Not tape it up back, I'm gonna tape it up right now. Let me make sure that glue is good because I'm gonna make it dry up on me again. Bam. So I'm gonna take the time and go back up. Start wrap from here, so. Tight. Reload a good amount and make sure that this now when I reload extremely tight. Now where's the crack? Right, that's so. Make sure that this extremely tight. PS. supposed to good now. We really should have made the glue dry and then tape it. Or I'm gonna just allow it till the glue dry if it ever got dry because it now have the air for dry. But me figure it out, peeps.
Oh, the bully boy there.
Run on my block there.
Oh, where you going with?
This day I go and build back dog. We had to pass through.
Eh, I jumped off the bar there, but I traffic up the measure, so I was like, the go do.
Oh, yeah, cut.
Yeah, traffic up me away.
Which part?
Oh, the bully boy there, so.
In front of the shopping center,
Yeah.
Oh man, for your part, some man a traffic on the road, brother.
What you say? You fuck you say. You want to see who does that?
Probably sitting and crashing, you know.
I'll be a police up on the road, man. I'll police need to cut and drive the one boy about picture in the hand. That's one of them I look for. For me, I come at home from morning and then home.
Yeah, man, everything up there. We just done some cleaning and I go watch some show and something.
Go on, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, people, so that my cousin, you see me, Moon. Just short him, say him that go pass through, but through the traffic, him not bother. So I'm gonna finish clean up the living room and thing now. So what I gotta do is just lay back, relax, and pre-2 show up on Netflix. Oh, I'm sure now I'm finished clean. Yeah. Yeah. So I lay back, relax, pre-2 show up on Netflix, and then when I wake, link on the back zine. So Millie is finally awake, and as she wake, guess who she come look for? Millie. Hello. Say hello. Alright, so she must be hungry by now, cause the last time she eat something before she go sleep. So I make her something so she can eat. I give her some noodles and see if she gonna drink it. Noodles? Noodle? 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 Buckle? Buckle? No. Alright, peeps, so she don't know what she want, but I boil her some noodles and see you guys in a few. Hey. She know how to hug me. Come. Oh, dear, she drop it. Come for more noodle, minute. Come. Dash away, dirty, come now. Come.
You shut out the door and turn on the light, babes.
Come. Bite it. Nice. Wagwan peeps, this is the next morning. She really have so much to do, I never really get for record at all. And plus from she asleep, you know I got 2 record. You see me? But now she up and running, like she never had a sleep at all. You see me? Have whole of energy. And come Millie, come. Another earring, come, get up. Come, the camera. Hello. Alright, come. Alright, peeps, as you see, Millie not really taking a talk. But Millie, I gotta say bye bye. Say bye bye. I gotta say bye bye. Oh, good. Bye bye. Come say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye. Bye. Alright, peeps, so I make a move, you see me? This is day 2. I don't know if I get for vlog day 2, is me, but yeah, this is my kid. Joke. Goddaughter, you see me? So big up on yourself. I gotta edit the video right now and drop it in the morning now. Well, I'm gonna think that video have a lot of, I'm gonna say, a lot of thing where I can say the video nice, you see me? It's just simple and calm, well. You know, through most of the time, I sleep. And when she not asleep, I clean. You see me? But trust me, next time, I'll give you guys something more exciting. But I know I have a lot of subscribers where, you know, are gonna be satisfied with anything. You see me? And look out for new videos soon. actually editing part 2 for the trick question most funniest answers right now, and also planning on a short film. So all who kill me long time but no video not drop, trust me, video come. As a matter of fact, I show you some of my equipment them, right? So here I have, alright, let me move this. Here I have my Ronin, DJI Ronin. Most of the video creators are probably supposed to know this. DJI Ronin for, like, you know, make the video steady and them thing there. You see me? So that's all I'm gonna show you. Big man thing, I feel like I'm gonna make a separate video for showing all equipment them. You see me? Trust me. So see you guys soon. I don't know, big up, thanks for watching, like, share, comment, all of them something there. You don't know your boy Jnel and I'm out.